can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has pumped to new all-time highs. Bitcoin is trading above $100,000. There is extreme greed right now in the cryptocurrency market. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin price hits $100,000 for the first time in history. Bitcoin has rallied 126% since January to reach $100,000, driven by Bitcoin ETF demand, April halving, and on Trump's US election win. We take a look at the US dollar price chart for Bitcoin. We take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, which right now has crossed the $2 trillion level. We also look at Bitcoin dominance, which is bouncing aggressively. The altcoin market is taking a chill pill. How high can Bitcoin continue pumping? Are we going to get to $110, $120,000? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin has surprised the whole cryptocurrency market, rallying above $100,000. The previous all-time high for Bitcoin sat around $99,000. Right now, Bitcoin is trading above $100,000. Bitcoin has crossed the six-figure mark. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin 24-hour trading volume has rallied to as high as $108 billion, a 71% increase in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin all-time high came on the 22nd of November 2024. Bitcoin was trading as high as $99,800. Since then, Bitcoin has gone sideways. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has rallied up by 7%. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $103,620. That's very crazy to hear. That's very wonderful to see. It's been a long time coming. I was wrong, guys. I didn't think Bitcoin would get to the $100,000 level. I actually believed the top was going to be in around the $99,000 level. I was in disbelief when I saw the $100,000 mark. I was like, wow, Bitcoin did it after so many years. After starting the journey around the $1 level way back in 2011, Bitcoin has grinded its way to as high as 100,000 United States dollar. Just sit for a second and think about that. One imaginary internet coin is trading for $100,000. That's crazy to see. There's extreme greed right now in the cryptocurrency market. There have been extreme greed for over the last 1 month. That's why I was afraid that maybe, just maybe, the top is in. Maybe, just maybe, we're going to dump to gobbling town. All coins were pumping front, left, and center. The altcoin season index also were in altcoin season. And here comes Bitcoin, the king of the market, blasting above $100,000. Stopping that altcoin rally. As Bitcoin started pumping, guys, all the altcoins in the market had to take a chill pill. We saw Bitcoin dominance pumping, rallying above that 56% region. Bitcoin dominance was already dumping to gobbling town. Market participants were already happy. It's altcoin season. The altcoin season index is flashing altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance got to as low as 54.69%. But then Bitcoin started pumping, first to $99,000, then to $100,000, then to $101,000, $102,000. Guys, Bitcoin still got to as high as $103,000. But let's not get carried away, guys. Remember, Bitcoin is still not in a bull market. This is just an uptrust after distribution. A lot of market participants are getting liquidated as we have been betting on the price of Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town. First, we saw huge liquidations as Bitcoin was rallying above $74,000. Bitcoin got to as high as $99,000. We saw more than $100 million worth of short getting liquidated. And the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin crossing the $100,000 level, we have seen more shorts getting liquidated. More than $172 million worth of Bitcoin shorts were liquidated. The highest liquidation came in on Bybit. One trader lost $8.91 million betting that the price of Bitcoin will not cross the $100,000 level. There was huge liquidation last night. $102,000 liquidation, $101,000, $103,000, and these were big liquidations over $1 million, and it amounted to around $172 million. So you want to be careful out there, guys. You want to avoid leverage. It has wrecked a lot of smart players. Bitcoin crossing $100,000 wrecked a lot of the smart whales that thought they would start shorting Bitcoin before the dump to gobbling town begins. The price of Bitcoin reached $100,000 for the first time in history, marking a milestone for the cryptocurrency market after a year of significant growth. Bitcoin hit $100,000 price mark on December 5th, breaking a physiological level just weeks after reaching 90,000 milestone on the 12th of November. Bitcoin also set new all-time highs of $104,000 at 3 a.m., roughly 90 minutes after passing the $100,000 level. As we got to the $100,000 level, things started moving up quickly, and Bitcoin just blasted through 101,000, 102,000, 103,000. And we had the Fed talking about Bitcoin yesterday. We had the Russian president talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a competitor to gold, not the US dollar, reinstated Fed Powell. US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell also dismissed the idea that people see Bitcoin as a symbol or lack of faith in the US dollar. Just getting Jerome Powell to talk about Bitcoin, comparing it to gold, it's a big deal. But guys, let's remove our euphoric heart, let's remove our ecstatic heart and ask ourselves, how high can Bitcoin still go? Yes, good time to return back to the cryptocurrency market. Altcoins pumping front, left, and center. Bitcoin has crossed $100,000. That's the thing of joy. That's the thing of celebration. But if you look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a monthly time frame, we're flashing a lot of bearish divergence. Yes, Bitcoin has gotten to new all-time highs, but the RSI has not been able to rally past where we were trading in March. Bitcoin has been having a rally for over the last 13 years. This rally started in 2011. From that perspective, Bitcoin is a big, gigantic bubble which can easily pop at any point in time. Imagine buying Bitcoin around $1 way back in 2011. Right now, you would have gotten more than 100,000x return on your investment. A $1 invested in Bitcoin in 2011 would have been worth over $100,000, which meant $1,000 investment in Bitcoin, guys. You'd have been a multi-millionaire. But the good times in the cryptocurrency market don't last forever. Remember, take some profit off the table. Bitcoin could easily have a 10, 20, 30, even a 40% dump, wiping a lot of players. The same way we are seeing the bears getting liquidated as we're pumping to higher prices. Always remember, guys, we can take a turn for the worst, and Bitcoin can start dumping to gobbling town, and a lot of the bulls will get liquidated. For the first time in history, Bitcoin's market cap rallied above the $2 trillion level. Bitcoin became a $2 trillion asset. That's very wonderful to see. But again, guys, with all-time high volume appearing on Bitcoin, you have to ask yourself this $1 million question. Who are the smart players that are selling for some sweet profit at those high price? The market can still very irrational, but always remember, they will come back to their senses. Madness is always found in crowd, and they eventually come back to their senses one by one. You want to avoid being exit liquidity. Bitcoin is at a new all-time highs. If you want to get some for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Bitcoin right now is above all important moving average. Bitcoin right now is having a wonderful time. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you think $110,000 Bitcoin is possible before the end of 2024? I'm already seeing some price predictions of Bitcoin getting to as high as $200,000. People are calling for $1 million Bitcoin by this time in 2025. Do you believe that's possible? Do you believe Bitcoin can continue this rally till 2025? Do you believe in the 4-year cycle theory? How high do you think Bitcoin is going? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.